Hello, and welcome to Divorce Like a Boss YouTube channel. And hello, Scott. We haven't seen each
Hello,
other for a
Diana.
while, and our last video explained how Bliss Divorce works, and Scott is CEO of Bliss Divorce. And as a divorce attorney, I notice clients cannot always afford me. So, Scott, can you let us know what is Bliss Divorce?
Well, Bliss Divorce is an online platform that guides you through the divorce process and, importantly, uses AI to resolve disagreements between you and your spouse.
How does it work compared to ChatGPT?
That's really interesting. First of all, ChatGPT is what they call a large language model or generative AI, and it's a great resource. Claude is great, but especially when it comes to math and numerical things, large language models are prone to errors, and they can hallucinate. And you really want to avoid that when you're going through a divorce proceeding. So, number one, we have a platform that guides you through the process. We use some generative AI, but it's just designed to help you step by step. And then number two, our AI that resolves your disagreements, it doesn't use this large language model stuff. It's based on algorithms. First, you and your spouse propose how each of you would like the settlement to be. It detects the differences, and it can be property division, child custody, child support, spousal support. And once the differences, your disagreements are detected, then the algorithms identify what are the most likely compromises for both of you to accept. And that's what it suggests to you. And then you can propose that to your spouse or come up with something else. 90% of the time, it resolves all disagreements in a divorce.
Can I confidently say that it does not hallucinate?
You can confidently say that because it's not using the type of AI that hallucinates. Algorithms do not hallucinate.
And so the clients input their data, the
Mhm.
AI tool is analyzing it based on answers, making then a proposal how to divide things.
Exactly. Both how to divide things, but also should the child custody agreement be like? What should the parenting schedule be? How are you going to make decisions about things like healthcare and religion? All of those can also be decided with Bliss Divorce. Um, but yes, each side, first of all, as you know, Diana, most people don't realize that in a divorce, you need to disclose all of your assets and debts to your spouse. So first, our platform just guides you through that. It makes it very easy. And then you say, again, with guidance from our platform, well, here's how I would like things split up. Here's how I'd like the child custody agreement to be. And then we ask you a series of other questions that helps the AI get at what's important to you, what's important to your spouse. And based on all those inputs and the answers to these specialized questions, the algorithms calculate the compromises that are most likely for both of you to accept. And that's what's given back to you. But, you don't have to accept them. You can always propose something else. But the great thing is that 90% of the time, people usually will accept one of the compromise proposals from the AI and they can move on.
I'm curious about spousal support and child support, how that works on the platform. Well, does it use the calculator, the X spouse, or is there a formula?
So it does start with the guideline spousal support, and that's shared with both parties. And then each of them get to say, well, here's what I would like the spousal support to be based on both the guidelines, but we give them information about how long the term typically is for marriage like theirs and so forth, all the kind of information. But then we also ask a series of questions to try to identify what are the ranges that each spouse is likely to accept. It's actually based on a um, a very sophisticated pricing model called the Van Westendorp price sensitivity meter that we've modified for use in divorce. Maybe more information than everyone needs, but just to give you confidence that this methodology has worked in other industries, and it works amazingly well in getting couples to realize, there is some point in the middle where I'm willing to compromise. And the series of questions and then the algorithms really identifies that well. And as I said, 90% of the time plus, both spouses will say, yeah, that's a compromise I can accept. And that allows them to move on.
Who is Bliss Divorce for?
You know, it's for a lot of people. It's not for everyone. Some need your expertise, Diana. No question about it. But if you're thinking of hiring a lawyer, we'd say try Bliss Divorce first. You can probably save a lot of money. If you're not getting along with your spouse, give Bliss Divorce a try. You both need to sign up, but you get separate logins and you don't even have to talk to each other at all if you don't want to. If you have disagreements with your spouse, go to Bliss Divorce. I've been saying this, our AI has a 90% success rate in resolving all disputes and divorces with assets and debts up to $4.5 million. If you have significant assets like retirement accounts and stock options and real estate, go to Bliss Divorce. Our platform shows you exactly how to handle these. And if you need to work out child custody, child support, or spousal support, go to Bliss Divorce. Our platform will guide you through the process for those as well.
Let's say they reached an agreement on almost all items except for one, that sticking point about spousal support or something else. Is there a way to talk to someone on the platform?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. In the 10% of cases where there's some sticking point, just the AI can't quite resolve it. That's when we bring in a human mediator. We have skilled human mediators who will help you work out any remaining issues over Zoom. And during the process, a lot of times people have questions. They can call customer support, ask their questions, or if they really need legal advice, because Bliss Divorce can't give legal advice. We can always only give guidance to help you make decisions. But if you need actual legal advice, we also have a feature called Ask an Attorney, where they can click, schedule a 15 or 30-minute consult with an attorney that we have prearranged rates with and get actual legal advice if they need it.
And the typical question I get asked by my clients: how long does the divorce take? How long does Bliss Divorce take in your experience?
Typically to go through the process of making their disclosures, proposing how they'd like the settlement to be, and reaching an agreement takes 2 to 3 months over our platform. After that, they still need to file their paperwork, get approval by the court. That's all out of our hands. In some counties, it goes very quickly. In some counties, it takes a long time. But 2 to 3 months is the average amount of time the couple spend actually in our platform going through the process.
Can you walk me through the map of their logging in, filing for divorce, making agreements, preparing a judgment? Let's say if it went smoothly, who would be doing the work, a- aside from disclosing assets and helping? And let's say they have an agreement, who will be filing, who will be preparing the judgments?
So we bring in, there are websites that do all the paperwork on an automated basis. We've tested most of them out, and there is a high error rate, high rejection rate by the court. So we bring in what's called a legal documentation assistant in the state of California, which is where we're operating now, although we plan to expand into Texas next year and into additional states after that. But for now, in California, we have a legal documentation assistant who is licensed to be able to prepare certain legal documents, including divorce documents, without oversight from an attorney. So we hire a legal document assistant firm that prepares all the documents for us. But what's great, the things that you've reached agreement on with Bliss Divorce, schedules are generated automatically by the system. They're attached to the divorce paperwork to what's called the marital settlement agreement, the MSA, which is kind of the key document that defines the settlement. So everything exactly as you put it into the platform is outputted. The agreement you've reached is outputted, attached to the MSA, and then a legal documentation assistant fills out all the other paperwork, the judgment, and everything else that has to be filed with the court.
And how long has Bliss Divorce been around?
We've been at this for a little more than 3 years, really testing our technology, developing it, and perfecting it. It's been in the last year and a half or so that we've gotten to that 90% success rate. But we're a technology company and we really needed to iterate in and out of the market. But now we're at the point where we've completed more than 100 cases where we've reached a full agreement and where the paperwork's been filed with the court and approved.
Can people invest in Bliss Divorce?
Yes, we're so. Previously, we've raised $1.6 million. That was used to develop the whole platform, to pay for all of our engineering, software engineering staff, our support staff, and so forth as we developed and tested the product. Now that we're ready to grow, we're doing another fundraising round, and this will be specifically to fund our expansion in California, into Texas, and then hopefully into other states. We're doing what's called crowdfunding. That's where anybody can invest. You can invest as little as $100, contentious and less traumatic for families. You can go to Wefunder.com. It is the world's leading crowdsourcing site. It allows people to invest from as little as $100 to more than $50,000. Whatever you're comfortable with, there is a lot of information about Bliss Divorce on there to help you make a decision. Our page on WeFunder, it's www.wefunder.com/Bliss Divorce. Please go there. Even if you're just interested, take a look. There's a video, there's a lot of detailed information, there's financial information, and you can make a decision if you'd like to invest.
Speaking of money, how does someone actually pay for Bliss Divorce and what does it cost compared to a traditional divorce?
Sure. Well, typically in California, divorce, if both sides hire an attorney, the costs are about $25,000, but they can be a lot more. It really depends on how contentious and complex your case is. Bliss Divorce works on a simple model. There's a low monthly subscription to access the platform, do all those disclosures, say, here's how I'd like the settlement to be. And then there are flat fees for AI mediation and for preparing your court paperwork. All in, most couples spend, a small fraction of that $25,000. It can be, depending on the plan you choose, maybe $2,500 to $3,500 with Bliss Divorce. It's a good 80% or more reduction in both the cost and time versus the traditional route.
And who is behind Bliss Divorce? Tell us about the team.
Sure, sure. Um, so, I'm one of the founders and I'm CEO. I'm a repeat founder with years of experience in legal tech. I also have an MBA from MIT, as well as I was a brand manager at Procter and Gamble. I've also done a lot of consulting in my time, and some of the brands that I've worked with are brands that displaced expensive professionals like TurboTax and LegalZoom and Invisalign, and they are really our model for how to build the brand for Bliss Divorce and really build demand for Bliss Divorce. We also have real family law credibility on our side. One of our founders is Randy Kessler, a past chair of the American Bar Association's family law section. He's also a law professor, and he's someone you might have seen on CNN or Court TV. He appears on TV quite often commenting on family law cases, like when Kim Kardashian got divorced.
There are other online divorce companies out there like Hello Divorce, Amicable. What makes Bliss Divorce different?
Most of those, well, I should even say all of those other online divorce sites, basically they're a place where you can go either to do your paperwork for an agreement you've already come up with, and it'll be that automatic paperwork thing that sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. Or if you have disagreements, it's a place where you can go to find a lawyer or hire a mediator. But that puts you in the same process that we're trying to avoid, which is the long, drawn out, expensive process of having to work with professionals. Now, if you have a highly contentious, um, high level divorce, absolutely hire Diana Romanov. She is one of the very best attorneys in California. I don't know I'm on her podcast, but that really is true. But, if you don't need that level of professional service, basically you get stuck when you go to the other websites. The only thing you can do is hire an attorney or a mediator. What Bliss Divorce does differently is we use AI to quickly, efficiently, and fairly find an agreement that both sides will agree to. Nobody
Can you
else is
share
doing
your vision in closing?
it. Yeah, definitely. So our vision number one is to really make divorce have less of a negative impact on families. We really want to help families try to get through the divorce process with their finances intact, but also with their relationships intact, because it's one of the most traumatic experiences that either spouse can go through, but also the children can go through. So we want to make it less traumatic for families. That's the number one thing in our vision. But from a business standpoint, we want to build a large, thriving business where Bliss Divorce is available for in states throughout the United States. And we also have an internal slogan that says, if we can do it in divorce, we can do it anywhere. If we can resolve disagreements in divorce, where it is so emotionally charged and it's so hard to get people to reach an agreement, we should be able to apply our technology to other legal verticals. And we think there is great promise in bringing once we've built a solid business in divorce, in bringing our technology to a much broader usage in the legal community, as well as putting it in the hands of attorneys. So you can use it in your cases to help resolve disputes as well.
Thank you, Scott, for being here. I will list all the links we just talked about to your website, to the funding page, so that listeners can access it easily. And I will see you soon in my next video.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Diana. As always, it was a pleasure.